to him only I was calling. Somebody left already. Okay, it came. Okay, guys, please switch on your camera. People on the.
Give me 2 minutes, please.
Yeah. Day. Okay. Okay. So I hope everybody have done all the exercise sums of conic section. Yes, right. Come fast. Okay. Any doubts you have, Pratap? So you given the thumbs up. So I told in sarcastic way. So I know nobody should have done. So since you gave thumbs up, you have any doubts on that?
Sir, I have done it because I have my exams on the topic.
Oh, super. Okay.
So far, no doubts, sir.
So you have doubts?
So far, no doubts, sir.
Okay, okay. See, whenever you are getting a doubt, so you don't wait for me to ask or something, you just send the question to me. நீங்க என்ன சால்வ் பண்ணீங்களோ அதை அப்படியே போட்டோ எடுத்து எனக்கு क्वेश्चन அனுப்பிடுங்க. Okay, so what I'm going to do, the conic section 2 section will go to the next class. Okay, where I'm going to solve your doubts. I know miscellaneous exercise போட்டிங்கன்னா நிறைய பேருக்கு டவுட் இருக்கும். Okay, there is a parabolic bridge sum, there is a focus sum, antenna sum, நிறைய இருக்கு. Okay, I not taught that. I know you guys are going to have doubt in this, but you try by yourself. Okay, so please try, then send me the doubt, and what are the questions you are sending the doubt, that will be there in the PPT. Okay, next class, I think it is Thursday, right? Next Thursday class. Thursday ஒரு 6 மணிக்கு அனுப்புங்க, அப்பதான் எனக்கு PPT ரெடி பண்ண முடியும். சரியா? At least before Wednesday, please send, guys. Okay, at least on the Wednesday I will do the PPT, so I can able to take the class on Thursday. Okay, so I told in sarcastic way, don't take it as okay Thursday 6 o'clock amcha podunu wait panni anappada, your doubts cannot be cleared. Okay. Okay, so yeah, Ivan, I can't able to see you. Bhumesh, please. Oh, Devesh, how much sums you have done? How many sums you have done? Only one exercise you have done. Why, man? டேய் பதில் சொல்லடா, why man ன்னு கேட்டேன். ரீசன்லாம் ஒன்றும் இல்லை, ஆனால் சும்மா கட்சியும் பண்ணல. ஓகே. See, how many of you interested in class 10th polynomial? எத்தனை பேருக்கு polynomial பிடிக்கும் போன வருஷம் polynomial? Okay, that is the extension version of this binomial. Okay, எனக்கு class 11th ரொம்ப பிடிச்ச சாப்டர்னா I can say it as a binomial. Okay, so as the name suggests, bi means two, nomial means terms. Bi means two, nomial means terms. Okay, அப்ப binomial னா என்ன அர்த்தம்? Two terms. Okay, so if I ask what is x plus y to the power of 2, you guys can easily say what is that? X square plus 2xy plus y square. Correct? X square plus 2xy plus y square. If it is x plus y the whole cube, it is going to be x cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square plus y cube. Correct? ஞாபகம் இருக்கா? Okay, when I go to the beyond that, x plus y to the power of 4, x power 4 plus 4x cube y plus 6x square y square, 4xy cube plus y power 4. Yes, done, right? Okay, very good. What happens if I ask x plus y to the power of 10? What happens if I ask x plus y to the power of 200? Or what is the fifth term of x plus y to the power of 300? Something if I ask that, how we can able to find, that is what we are going to see it in the binomial theorem. Okay va? So binomial theorem nothing, என்னது ரெண்டு டேர்ம் இருக்க போது எக்ஸ்பேண்ட் பண்ண சொன்னா எப்படி எக்ஸ்பேண்ட் ஆகும்ன்றதுக்கான தியரம் தான் binomial theorem. Okay, I hope everybody got what the chapter is going to deal about. Okay, next is we are going to see இத நான் ஈஸியா ஃபார்முலாவா summation is equal to அப்படினு எழுதி இதான் சொல்லி நம்ம ஈஸியா ஃபார்முலா மாதிரி கொடுத்துடலாம். But I am going to derive the formula by analyzing. Okay, by analyzing the way. Okay, so what I am going to do, I am going to take a plus b to the power of 0. Why a plus b, guys? It's a binomial, right? ரெண்டு term இருக்கா, a ஒரு term, b ஒரு term. It's a binomial. To the power of 0, it is actually 1. Okay, what happens if a plus b to the power of 1? Nothing, right? அதுதானே power 1 னா என்ன அர்த்தம், அதே தானே. I am going to write it. If it is a plus b to the power of 2, it is going to be a square plus 2ab plus b square. Yeah, what I am going to do, I am going to keep on repeat this and I am going to take, okay, what happening. Okay, so see here, I can able to feel one thing from here. எனக்கு இங்க binomial இருக்கு, after the power 1 எனக்கு 2 ல இருந்து இங்க எனக்கு 2 இருக்கும்போது இங்க 3 terms இருக்கு, இங்க 1 இருக்கும்போது இங்க 2 terms இருக்கு, power. So எனக்கு n இருக்குல்ல, we call it as index. So இந்த indexல என்ன இருக்கோ அதோட +1 terms இருக்கும். a plus b power 0 எத்தனை power 0 இருக்கா, index 0 இருக்கா, index plus 1, 0 plus 1 is what, 1. So that one term is only one there. And இங்க 1 இருக்கு, இங்க எத்தனை இருக்கு, 1 இருக்கு, இங்க எத்தனை term வரும், 2 terms. இங்க 2 இருக்கு, அப்ப எத்தனை term வரணும், 3 terms வந்திருக்கா, 1 2 3, 3 terms. And here power is 4, that is index is 4. How many terms we got, 4 terms. So now guys, if I am going to say a polynomial which is 3x plus 4y to the power of 100, how many terms it is going to have, 101. Are you getting this first? எத்தனை term இருக்கும், ஒரு polynomial expand பண்ணா எத்தனை term இருக்கும், என்ன indexல இருந்ததோ அதோட +1, என்ன indexல இருந்ததோ அதோட +1. Okay, so this is the first thing we have. Yeah sir, repeat something sir. Who asked? Adityaraj. Aditya, ஒண்ணு இல்லடா, எனக்கு x plus a plus b to the power of 2 இருக்கா, இங்க என்ன நம்பர் இருக்கோ அந்த நம்பரோட ஒரு டேர்ம் அதிகமா இருக்கும், அப்ப 2 plus 1 எவ்வளோ, 3 னா இங்க மொத்தம் எத்தனை டேர்ம் இருக்கு பாரு, 1 2 3, மூணு டேர்ம் இருக்கா. Yes sir. If I am having 100, I am going to have 101. Okay sir. Are you getting? Yes sir. So அப்ப எத்தனை டேர்ம் வரும்ன்றதை நமக்கு இப்ப தெரிஞ்சிடுச்சு, கரெக்ட்டா இல்லையா? So that's what the question is asked here. a plus b power 20, how many terms it will have, 21. a plus b power 54, how many terms I will have, 55. So a minus b to the power of 45, 145, how many terms I will have, 146 terms I will have. Okay, so இதுலயே எனக்கு middle term இருக்கும்ல, 21 terms இருக்குனா அதுல middle term எத்தனை ஆகுது, 21 இருக்கு, 11th term, right? 11th term, very good. If I am having 54 here, I am going to have 55 terms. 55 terms இருந்தா middle term என்ன, டேய் என்கிட்ட 55 terms இருக்குடா. So if I am having 55 terms, 20 27 28th term, 23 na 46 தான ஆச்சு, it's just 46, right? It's going to be 27, actually 28. So 28 is the middle term. I will have 27 terms here and I will have 27 terms here, totally 55 terms. Are you getting? Okay, when it is even, I am going to speak about that also, but just now just warm up, okay va, idella onnume illa, just warm up da. Okay, now we are going to introduce about Pascal triangle. See, inga na oru vishayatha dhaan pesana, number of terms alone I consider, right? What happens to my coefficients, en coefficients eppadi varudhu, that is going to be taught by whom, the Pascal's triangle. So Pascal's triangle enna solludhu appadina, yeah, once again I am just going to write this. Okay, I am going to have 0 here, so how many number of terms I am going to have, just 1, which is going to be index, so it is going to be 1. Okay, and a plus b power 1, I am going to have a plus b, that is going to be 2 terms, I know that. But என்ன நடக்க போகுது, just to see the coefficients. Coefficients மட்டும் பாருங்க, மிச்சதெல்லாம் மறந்துரு. a b மறந்துரு, a b மறந்துரு. Just listen to the coefficients. How the coefficients is there? 1 1 1 1 2 1 1 3 3 1 1 4 6 4 1. இது ஏதோ ஒரு பேட்டர்னை ஃபாலோ பண்ற மாதிரி இருக்கா? Yes, definitely it is following a pattern which is called as Pascal's triangle. Okay, so how the Pascal's triangle is created? Now we can go to that. So anyway, Pascal triangles will come then. And also observe that ஒரு விஷயம் கவனிச்சீங்களா, இங்க இன்னொரு விஷயம், முக்கியமான விஷயம் என்னன்னா, here I add power 1, here I add power 1, so always the total power is going to be 1. 1ல கொஞ்சம் கன்ஃபியூஷனா இருக்கலாம், இங்க 2 இருக்கா? இப்ப பாருங்க, I have a square and b power 0, so 2 plus 0 is what? And what is 1 plus 1? What is 0 plus 2? So I am having 3 here, 3 plus 0, 2 plus 1, 1 plus 3, 1 plus 2, 0 plus 3. Similarly 4 here, I am going to have 4 plus 0, 3 plus 1, 2 plus 2, 1 plus 3 and so அப்ப என்னன்னா எப்பவுமே ஒரு கோஎஃபிஷியன்ட்ஸ்ல நான் இப்போ just ஒரு கேள்வி கேக்குறேன். ஓகே, a plus b to the power of 7. ஓகே, whether இப்போ இதுக்கு எத்தனை டேர்ம் இருந்திருக்கும்? 8 டேர்ம் இருந்திருக்குமா? there should be 8 terms, right? அதுல ஒரு டேர்மா இது இருக்க வாய்ப்பு இருக்கான்னு கேக்குறேன். a power 6 and b power 7 இது இருக்க வாய்ப்பு இருக்கா? No, why? Because this is crossing 13, is actually 13. அப்போ இந்த டேர்ம் எதுல மட்டும் தான் இருக்க முடியும்? a plus b to the power of 13 ல தான் இருக்க முடியும். Are you getting this? Very minute thing, ரொம்ப minute thing. இதெல்லாம் தெரிஞ்சிட்டா மட்டும் தான் we can able to proceed for the formulas. So அப்ப ஏதாவது ஒரு polynomial expansion இருக்கு, ஏதாவது ஒரு polynomial expansion இருக்கு, அந்த எக்ஸ்பான்ஷன்ல அந்த டேர்ம் இருக்கணும்னா இப்ப பாருங்க 4ல எனக்கு 4 இருந்ததா, just say a plus b power 5. நான் எனக்கு கோஎஃபிஷியன்ட்டே சொல்ல வேணாம் guys, கோஎஃபிஷியன்ட்டே சொல்ல வேணாம். இன்னும் நல்லா பாத்தீங்கன்னா a ஓட பவர் குறஞ்சிட்டே போகும், b ஓட பவர் ஏறிக்கிட்டே போகும். a ஓட பவர் குறஞ்சிட்டே போகும், b ஓட பவர் ஏறிக்கிட்டே போகும். சொல்லு பாப்பா, அப்ப என்ன வரும்? a power 5, b power 0. I am not worrying about the coefficient. I am not worrying about the coefficients. So what happened to next? a power 4, b power 1. Very good. அடுத்து என்ன இருக்கும்? Very good. Next. Oh, sorry, b cube. Yeah. So a power 1, b power 4. And similarly, last term is going to be a power 5 and a power 0. Okay, anything power 0 is what? 1. So anything power 0 is 1. That's why in any first term நம்ம சொல்லும்போது a power 1 and b power 0 னு சொன்னா நல்லா இருக்காது. அதனால தான் a plus 2ab plus b square னு சொல்லிடுறோம். Okay, is that clear guys? அப்போ எனக்கு இப்போ நான் எந்த டேர்ம் கொடுத்தாலும் இப்ப பாருங்களேன், a plus b power 7 எனக்கு என்ன தெரியும்? see இங்க 5 இருந்ததா, இங்க எண்ணி பாருங்க 1 2 3 4 5 6 exactly ஒன்னு அதிகமா இருக்கு. first information. second information என்ன? always the total of the power is going to be the whole power. that index க்கு என்ன நம்பர் இருந்ததோ அதே தான் இருக்கும். I hope these 2 points can you able to understand, right? Especially the online students. Kavya, can you able to understand this?
Yes sir.
Okay, so now இப்போ எனக்கு கோஎஃபிஷியன்ட் விட்டுறலாம், கோஎஃபிஷியன்ட் பாஸ்கல் ட்ரையாங்கிள் கொடுக்கும். பட் நம்ம இங்க திருப்பி இங்க எனக்கு சொல்லுங்க பாப்பா என்ன வரும்? a power 7 b power 0 plus அடுத்தது a power 6 b power 1 plus a power 5 b power 2. Yeah, next a power
4 b power 3.
yes, very good. Next a power
3 b power 4.
very good. Next
a power 2 b power 5.
yes, very good. then a b power 6 and next is b power 7. so yes, இப்போ எனக்கு என்னன்னா அப்ப எனக்கு பாலினாமியல் கொடுத்தா கோஎஃபிஷியன்ட் தவிர மிச்சம் எல்லாமே நான் எழுதிட முடியும். yes or no? we came to that situation, right?
Yes, sir.
so very good. so நம்ம இப்ப அடுத்து என்ன பண்ணலாம்? அப்ப எப்படி கோஎஃபிஷியன்ட் வந்ததுன்னு அடுத்து பார்க்க ஆரம்பிக்கலாம். ஓகேவா? okay, so the same thing what I taught you, so the same thing I going to mention here. now I know how many terms is going to come and how the powers are distributed between a and b, these two. so next is second observation is about what? that increasing and decreasing. how? see, I told total is going to be and how many number of terms. next is what? the power of A is going to be decrease and power of B is going to increase, these things, okay. Okay. Yes. Now the third observation is also the same, always the power of the sum is going to be same. Okay. Now I am collecting my coefficients and arranging it like this. Okay. Guys, this is the final observation what you want to do. Now we know if I have index as n plus 1 terms will be there, and I know always A is increasing and B is decreasing, and the total of powers is going to be the same as index. Okay, second observation. Third observation is what we know, yeah, both together I told. Now it's going to be what? The observation of my coefficients. I have written my coefficient like this. Okay, we call this as what? Pascal's triangle. Pascal's triangle not only in binomial, நிறைய இடத்துல மேக்ஸ்ல திருப்பி உங்களுக்கு வரப்போகுது. If you are going to be taking any engineering or any mathematical as a major, your Pascal's triangle relation will keep on coming. Pascal's வந்துகிட்டே இருப்பார் உங்க வாழ்க்கையில. ஓகே, ஸோ என்னன்னா இங்க ஒன்று அப்சர்வ் பண்ணீங்களா, ஒன்று இந்த ஒன்று இது ரெண்டுமே நான் எழுதிடுறேன்னு வைங்க. ஓகே, இப்போ என்ன நடக்கும், this 1 plus 1 is what? 2, right? Okay, and similarly here 1, this 1 plus 2 is going to be what? 3, and this is going to be, I hope you guys are getting this, right? அப்போ எனக்கு அடுத்தது என்னப்பா வரணும், 1, what is this, 5, what is this, 10, what is this, 10, and what is this, 5, and this is 1. Okay, so it's not that clear anyway, I will write it in one more way. So 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. So what is going to be next? எப்பயுமே first term வந்து 1 தான், எப்பயுமே first one என்னது 1 தான். So the next is going to be what? 6, and next is going to be what? 15, and next is going to be what? 20, next is going to be what? 15, and next is going to be what? 6, and this is 1. Okay, see sir, ஆனா பாஸ்கல்ஸ் ட்ரையாங்கிள்ஸ்ல எப்படி சார் எவ்வளவு நேரம் சார் போடுறது? அப்ப இதுக்கு ஒரு ட்ரிக் கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்ல, அதை கண்டுபிடிக்கிறதுக்கு முன்னாடி we can complete this one, a plus b to the power of 5, right? So I know that a power is keep on increasing, b power is keep on reducing. By that I can write like a power 5. Okay, b power 0 எழுதணுமா என்ன? I don't think we need not to write that, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to keep as it is. Now it is going to be a power 4 b power 1 plus a power 3 b square plus a square b cube plus then a b power 4 plus b power 5. Guys, this is for index n equal to 1, this is for index n equal to 2, this is for, sorry, this is for 0, this is for 1, and this is for 2, and this is for 3, and this is for n is equal to 4, and this is for what? n equal to 5. அப்போ n equal to 5 தானப்பா. So the first is going to be 1, the second is going to be 5, and third is going to be 10, and fourth is going to be 10, and the fifth term is going to be 5, and last is going to be 1. So we have completed the expansion of a plus b to the power of 5. But the problem once again is, sir, if I am going to say a plus b to the power of 17, அப்போ 17 times நான் பாஸ்கல் ட்ரையாங்கிள் போடணுமா? அதுவே பெரிய ப்ராசஸ் ஆயிடுமே. அதுக்கு நான் a plus b whole power 17 நான் தனியாவே மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணி கண்டுபிடிக்கலாமே, கரெக்டா? So I am going to further investigate how my Pascal triangle came. Okay, so before that, up to now any problem is there for any student? You can stop and ask anybody.
No, sir. No, sir.
No, sir.
Yeah, Yash and Bhumesh, your cameras are switched off. So up to now, if you have any doubts, you can ask me. Aditya Raj, are you okay with this, what I am teaching?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so both the Niranjans?
Sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, where is another Niranjan?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So Pratap, are you getting this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now if I ask a plus b power 6, definitely you guys can do. Why? What you are going to do? You are going to use this as coefficient and you are going to proceed. But the problem is, if I ask a plus b power 17, the writing Pascal triangle will make me difficult. So what I am going to do, I am going to see how this 1, this 1, 1, this 1, 2, 1, 1, 3, 3, 1 came. இது எப்படி வந்தது அப்படின்னா, it's nothing guys, it's just a combination. Okay, what is the, see, it means that if I write a plus b power 5, okay, it means that in how many ways a and b can be combined so that the power will be always 5. How many different ways? இப்போ நீ பாரு 5 and 0. See இப்படி போடலாமா? 5 0, okay, 4 1, 3 2, 2 3, 1 4, 5 0 5, 0 5. See, other than this, can you say any two integers, sorry integers illa, any two natural number that will sum up to 5?
No, sir.
So what I am indirectly doing is, I am going to say if I put a plus b power 6, a plus b power 6, what I am going to do? No, I am going to get how many number of way the 6 can be written. In how many number of way the 6 can be written in the natural number. Are you getting this? So what I am going to do, so what is this is, this is just NC0, okay, that is 1C0, okay. Anyway, this is going to be what? 1C0 and this is 1C1, okay. And what is this is 2C1, 2C0, comma, what is this? 2C1 and what is this? 2C2. So அப்ப index தான் என்னோட n, okay, and எது எத்தனாவது termங்கிறதுக்கு it will come. See what is this then? 3C0 and what is this? 3C1 and what is this? 3C2. This is 3C3. Are you getting, guys? So coefficients can be written as NCR, correct? Coefficients can be written as NCR, okay. So yeah, this is how Pascal triangle came, that's what I shown you, okay. Yes, what you are going to say? 9, okay, I can continue my Pascal triangle, but what happened to 25, what happened to 75, what happened to 100? Index is having that such big number, how we are going to do? For that we are coming to a conclusion that this is how it is going to be. See, this is 0C0 and this is going to be 1C0 and 1C1, and for 2 it is going to be 2C0 and 2C1 and 2C2, and 3 is going to be 3C0, 3C1, 3C2 and 3C3, and for 4 it is going to be 4C0, 4C1, 4C2 and 4C3. So naturally we can write, then it's an NCR. N is what? The index. N is what? The index. R is what? The terms. R is what? The terms. Okay. So finally I can derive my binomial as what? Is just like this. Okay. I can derive like this. How, what I am going to do? Okay, we can do this sum, but see, this is binomial theorem. I am going to write this symbol. This symbol some people call sigma, but I recommend to call it as summation because it is going to add everything. இதுக்கு அப்புறம் வர போறது அது என்ன பண்ண போகுது? ஆட் பண்ண போகுது. So I am going to call this as what? Summation. Summation r equal to 0 to n. R equal to 0 to n. And I know that, see, what is going to be? A plus b power n is going to be, it starts with 0 and ends with n, and it's going to be what? A power n minus r and b power r. அப்படிதானே நடக்கும். இதுக்கு என்ன அர்த்தம்? It's like just like your for loop or while loop. என்ன நடக்கும்? First it will substitute r as 0, okay, and next it substitute r as 1, next it will substitute r as 2, and it will keep on goes up to n. Here ஒரே ஒரு விஷயத்தை நாம மிஸ் பண்ணிருக்கோம். என்னது? Coefficients. What is coefficient? NCR. This is we call it as what? Binomial theorem. For binomial theorem and the derivation புரிஞ்சுதா? It's not derivation actually, it is what? Observation. From the observation we are concluding that it is a correct formula for binomial. Is that okay? Anybody is having any problem in any step?
No, sir.
Okay, see, now I will expand one question using this. Let us do this itself. A plus b to the power of 5. A plus b to the power of 5. So what is going to be here n, guys? 5, right? So first I will substitute here summation r equal to 0 to up to மேல எவ்வளோ 5. So 5cr a to the power of 5 minus r and b to the power of r. Guys, what I did, are you getting? n இருந்த இடத்துல 5 போட்டுட்டேன் because the question is like that. Question says like a plus b power 5. So எங்கெல்லாம் n இருந்ததோ அங்கெல்லாம் 5 போட்டுட்டேன். Is that okay? Okay, the next step what I am going to do is, I am going to consider my r to be 0 for the first step. Okay, I am going to consider R to be 0 for the first step. So அப்ப என்ன நடக்கும் 5C0 a power 5 minus 0 b power 0 plus, okay, plus next is what guys, இப்போ 1 R அப்டேட் ஆயிருக்குமா, R என்ன ஆயிருக்கும் 1 அப்டேட் ஆயிருக்கும், அப்ப 5C1 a power 5 minus 1 and b power 1. With you, are you not getting? Your face reaction says that you are not getting this. With you, you are still muted man. Or unmute பண்ணி இது புரியுதா இல்லையான்னு சொல்லிட்டீனா I will go with confident next step. Okay, but why your reaction is like that? Okay. Anybody else? Everybody is getting right? So what is going to be the next step guys? What is the R value of next step? 2, right? So it is going to be 5C2 a power 5 minus 2 b power 2 plus 5C3 a power 5 minus 3 b power 3 and plus what happens guys? சொல்லுங்க 5C4 a power 5 minus 4 b power 4 plus 5C5 a power 5 minus 5 and b power 5. I hope this is clear, right? Okay, so guys, even though if you know also anyway NCR formula enna n factorial divided by n minus r factorial into r factorial. I hope have you and you also know this, right? NC0 is equal to 1, okay, then NCn is equal to 1. Okay, இந்த ரெண்டு ஃபார்முலாவும் நீங்க ஞாபகம் வச்சிருப்பீங்கன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். So அப்ப 5C0 மாறிடும் 1, anything power 0 is what 1, so a power 5 is going to be my first step. Okay, what is 5C1 guys? Always remember this also, NC1 is going to be n, NC1 is going to be n, so 5C1 is going to be what 5 a power 4 b power 1. Okay, what is 5C2 guys? Is going to be 10, so 10 a power 3 and b power 2 plus 15 because 5C3 is 15 guys, so a power 2 and b power 3 and plus once again 10. What is 5C3 guys? 10 only, right? Sorry, this is 10, this is not 15. Okay, so next is 5, so I have given here, if you want you can take it. Okay, then 5 a power 1 and b power 4 and plus b power 5 and its answer is 1. I hope you guys are getting this, right? பண்ண முடியும்ல, இது ஒன்றும் பெரிய விஷயம் கிடையாது. ஓகே, நிறைய சின்ன விஷயம் சேர்ந்து ஒரு ஃபார்முலா. ஓகே, shall I go to the next?
Yes sir.
Yeah.
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
But yeah, so now you can do this guys. இப்போ என்னன்னா in the place of a and b I have given 2x plus 5y to the power of 5. இந்த sum போடுங்க, எல்லாருமே போடுங்க, and people who are in online also you has to do guys. I will ask some term, இத்தனாவது term சொல்லுன்னு சொல்லுவேன், you guys has to say. So take your pen and do it. I'll give 3 minutes. Now, okay. Aditiraj, whether have you expanded? You want some more time? Okay. Anyway, I want the first term answer. What is the first term?
2x to the power 5, sir.
I want it like 32 x power 5. Are you getting?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, 2 power 5 is 32, man. Okay, 2 power 5 is what? 32. So, first term is going to be what? 32 x power 5. அடுத்த term தான் ரொம்ப கஷ்டம் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணனும். Okay. So, I want second term from Bhumesh.
5 into 2x power 4 5y. Expand sir.
Dey, இது 5 into 2 power 4 da. 2 power 4 is what? Just 16. 16 into 5 is 80. இதுக்கு எக்ஸ்பேண்ட் பண்றதுக்கு உனக்கு ஒரு நிமிஷம் வேற இருக்கணுமா? 80 x power 4 y. சொல்லுடா இப்படி டக்குன்னு.
80 x power 4 5y.
Okay, Kavya.
Sir.
I want the third term. Yeah.
The second term I'm getting 400 x power 4y, sir.
Hey, Bhumesh, super da. Okay, y is having 5, no? Okay. Yeah, here we have 5, right? This 5 is there, no? Bhumesh. So 6. So we got 80. 80 into 5 will become 400. Very good. Okay, what about the fourth term? That is third term. Correct, the 400 da.
Third term is 2000 x cube y square. 2000 x cube y square.
Very good. 2000 x cube y square. எல்லாருக்கும் இதே வந்துதா? Devesh, I want fourth term from you, Devesh. Devesh? Yeah, Devesh, I want fourth term from you. Oh, you want still 1 minute? Then I will come for you for fifth term. Harvish, what is fourth term? Harvish, why your camera is off first? Yeah, what is the fifth term? Fourth term, sorry. Fourth.
5000 x square y cube.
Is it right, guys? Others? Yeah, very good. Yeah, Anshul, I want fifth term from you. Yeah, fifth term, Anshul.
I'm not sure of the answer. 6,250.
6,250 x power
6250,
X and divided by 4.
Okay. Is it right, guys? Others?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. See, Devesh, I am expecting the last term at least from you.
3125 y 45.
Yeah, is it right, guys? Yeah, very good. I appreciate that, Devesh. Okay, so yeah, எல்லா இடத்துலயும் நம்ம என்ன பண்ணிக்க போறோம், கோஎஃபிஷியன்ட் எழுதிக்கிறோம். So this is how it is written, and yeah, okay, this is not that big thing, we can able to do it, right? So 6th க்கு 7th க்கு என்ன வர போகுது நம்மளால சொல்ல முடியாதா? Pascal triangle. Okay, so I think I have done this. Now I want answer for this one, guys. So 101 to the power of 4. 101 to the power of 4. How it can be written? 100 plus 1 to the power of 4. Yes. 100 plus 1 to the power of 4, and please expand, and I want answer. I will ask, please do. I may ask Joel. Okay, Joel, be ready. I will give 2 minutes, and after that you guys you want to answer. Hey, it doesn't mean that others don't do. Okay, suddenly I may change my plan and I can ask to anybody. Okay. do. So Joel, are you ready with your answer? 2 minutes up. Hey, some more interesting sums are on the way, guys. இத சீக்கிரம் போட்டீங்கன்னா அதுக்கெல்லாம் போயிடலாம். தருவேன். There are some chocolate sums also, guys. I'll say which is the chocolate sum, and people are doing that. Definitely, I will give chocolate. Okay. If you want, I can show the chocolate. I have. Yeah, Joel, are you ready with your answer, or shall I go to somebody else?
Sir, I need time.
How much time, man? Yeah, whether you got this answer, guys? Okay, there is a small mistake here. Okay, so that is just one, guys. It is mistake. Okay, so 104060401. How many of you got? On the online, anybody got? Please raise your hand. People who don't got. Okay. Yeah, some people got. Very good. Okay, guys. Yes. Okay, very good. Okay, many have got. Very good. See, now what I am going to do? No, I am going to say how to take for 98 square. 98 power.
100 minus 2.
Yeah. 98 power. Same. I will take it as 5. Okay. Let it be. இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் இன்ட்ரெஸ்டா பண்ணலாம். 98 power 5. Yes. As you told, it is going to be 100 minus 2. But நான் தனியா ஃபார்முலா எதுமே படிக்கலையாடா. x plus a க்கு மட்டும் தான் படிச்சேன். Anything I have studied for x minus a? No. But what I am going to consider? No. I am going to take this as 100 plus minus 2 power 5. I hope you are getting. Wherever b comes, there you want to put minus 2. Wherever b comes, what you have to do? You want to put minus 2. I hope you are getting this, right? So, அதே மாதிரி எக்ஸ்பேண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, எல்லாம் அதே தான். பட் எங்கெல்லாம் b வருதோ அங்கெல்லாம் minus 2 போடணும். I am expecting this answer. Come on, guys, do it. I want an answer from. I'll say it later. Okay, பாதி பேர் தான் பண்றீங்க. சீக்கிரம் போடு. அன்பரசி, be ready. Okay. Do fast. I want answer. So, Anbarsi, are you ready with your answer? Please do it fast. Yeah, Anbarsi, are you ready? 9 9039 24 20 7968. இவ்வளோ பெருசா? Is it right? So என்னடா எல்லாரும் பேசாம இருக்கீங்க? Anybody got this answer or you got different answer? Okay, I'll give you one more minute, but yeah, I know this is too much of calculation, but you guys, by this time you should have the knack of doing it. Okay, Niranjan, are you doing?
I got the same answer.
Okay, very good. I hope you guys have not used the calculator. Okay.
Sir, I'm getting the same answer.
Very good.
So that's the same answer.
Super. So this is the answer, guys. So I think no offline students got.
Same answer, sir.
Got it? Very good. Others? No. Okay, guys, if you are not concluded, no issues. Please conclude after the class gets over. And this is very important question, guys. Very important question. See, in the மாதிரியான question, I am not speaking about only this question. This type of question, even in JEE level, it is very important. Okay. See, what is asked is, they are saying like 9 power n minus 1 minus 8n minus 9 has to be divisible by what? Has to be divisible by what? 64. Okay. Yeah, it's a book sum. See, I am giving priority to book sum only for in this PPT. Okay, 9 power n minus 1 minus 8 power n minus 9, if it is divisible by 64, it means that if I put the value of n as 1, இப்போ நான் n இங்க 1 போட்டா என்ன அர்த்தம்? இங்க n 1 போட்டா எனக்கு என்ன வரும்? Okay, இப்போ 1 போட்டிருந்தா 9 square minus 8 into 2 minus 9 வந்திருக்குமா? Right? Oh, n க்கு பதிலா 1 தான போட்டா, sorry. Okay, so what happens here? It becomes 81 minus 17, right?
17.
What is this? 64. Similarly, if I put n as 2, then it becomes 9 cube minus 8 into 2 minus 9. See, don't worry guys, this also is going to be the multiple of 64. This is also going to be what? Multiple of 64. Yes, we can do it by this, but the way is what?
You have to give a general formula.
Yeah. We want to give the general formula that this whole thing is divisible by 64 into something. I want to make it like this equation to be 64 into something. அப்படி கொண்டு வந்துட்டா போதும்ல, then this equation becomes what? Multiple of 64. I hope you are getting this. Okay, so அப்ப அத பண்றதுக்கு நான் என்ன பண்றேன்? The first step what I am going to do is, see, I am having 9 here and 64 is something 8 square. இதெல்லாம் ஒரு சின்ன judgment what you have to do in your mind. Okay, so I am going to take that 9 plus 1 as 1 plus 8 to the power of n plus 1. I am going to convert this 9 as what? 1 plus 8 to the power of n minus 1 as shown here. Is that okay, guys? Now this will become binomial, yes or no? Okay, now a value is 1 and b value is 8. So I am just going to expand like this. Okay, in the place of n I have n plus 1, so n plus 1 c0 1 to the power of n plus 1 8 power 0. I am keep on continuing. So the last step is going to be like this. Okay, the next step what I am going to do is, just I am going to further what is n plus 1 c? n c0 way 1 dana. So n plus 1 c0 also will become 1. So 1 into 8 power 0 is also 1. So 1 into 1 becomes 1. And n plus 1 c1 will become n plus 1. Yes or no? Hey, what is nc1 formula, guys? Okay, what is nc1 formula? nc1 formula is what? n. So n plus 1 c1 is going to be what? n plus 1. So is this term will change into n plus 1. And 1 power anything is what? 1. And what is 8 power 1? 8. Are you getting this, guys? And what I am going to do next is this term nc1 c2, and here I have 64, right? And here I will have 64 into 8. And next step 64 into 64, that is 8 square into 8 square. So everything I am having 8 square as common, I am going to take it out. So it is becoming 64. Are you getting? Are you getting this? So now I have taken 64 as common outside, all other terms will come here, all other terms will come here. So now what is next is just yeah, so I am going to take like this. So now n plus 1 is this one, okay, I am going to take this as k and I am going to substitute this, this n plus 1 dana, and I am going to take minus 8 and minus 9 here, so it will become 64k. I will do it for you. Okay, so see pa, this is what they have given now. Now in the place of 9 n plus 1, 9 to the power of n plus 1, I am going to substitute this. I am going to take this to this as k. I am going to take this to this as what? K. So 1 plus 8n plus 8 plus 64k. This is what? 9 to the power of n plus 1. Okay. Now I will substitute this equation in this. So what happens? Now minus 8n minus 9. See, this 1 plus 8 is what? Obviously 9, right? And this 8n and this 8n will get cancelled, and at last this equation made into what? 64k. So if this equation is ending up with 64k, so definitely for all the value of n, that equation is going to be what? Multiple of k, that multiple of 64. Are you getting this, guys? Anybody? Yarkad repeat panduma? Anybody? Kavya, are you getting this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So anyway, in upcoming slide I will give one more question like this, so you will get. Okay, now we are going for the special case where if it is minus, what happens? So if x minus y to the power of n, then wherever the y comes I will put minus and I will get the answer. Okay, now this 98 will come. Okay. Yeah. What happens if x is 1, a is 1, that is 1 plus x to the power of n, 1 plus x to the power of n. This is a special case. Why this is a special case? No. Okay, why this is special case? No. In the place of a, I have a number. Okay, whenever I am having 1 plus x to the power of n, then எனக்கு என்ன இருக்காது? ரெண்டு வேரியபிள் இருக்காது. I am going to have only x. So what happens in the expression? nc0, nc1 into x. Here I have 1, but 1 power anything is what? 1. And here also I will have 1 power something, but it's going to be what? 1. Going to have like this. So this is the special case when I am having in the place of a 1. Okay. This is not much big thing, guys, but you want to know. Okay. This is 1 minus x. Okay. See, this is sometimes you guys might be came across this kind of question. What I am going to do, in the place of a and b, I am going to take what? In the place of a and b, I am going to take what? 1. So what happened here, guys? 1 plus 1 to the power of n. Okay. 1 plus 1 to the power of n. So what happens here? This a power 1 also will become 1 power n, and this also will become 1 power 0. So anyway, 1 power anything is 1, right? 1 into 1 is also is going to be 1. So I am going to have only this terms, right? Which ellame poidum. Poiduna enna artham? 1 oda multiply பண்றதுனால it is not having any impact on the equation. So what is the remaining I am going to have is nc0 plus nc1 plus nc2 plus dot 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 ncn. Okay. So now this became sum of coefficient formula, which is 1 plus 1 is what? 2n. 1 plus 1 is what? 2n. So this is very important for JEE or any kind of entrance exam. But உங்க போர்டில் எவ்வளோ தூரம் கேட்பாங்கன்னு தெரியல. அதாவது இது ஒன்றும் ரொம்ப பெரிய விஷயம்லாம் கிடையாதுடா. எப்பயுமே உங்கள் பைனாமியலோட பவர்ஸை ஆட் பண்ணால், கோஎஃபிஷியன்ஸை ஆட் பண்ணால், தட் வில் எண்ட் அப் வித் வாட்? பவர் ஆஃப் 2. பார்க்குறீங்களா? ஸோ எனக்கு வந்து a plus b power 2 என்ன? இஸ் ஜஸ்ட் a ஸ்கொயர் plus 2ab plus b ஸ்கொயர். கரெக்டா? இதோட கோஎஃபிஷியன்ட் என்ன? 1. What about here? What about here? 1 plus 2 plus 1 எவ்வளோ? Okay. When I am having a plus b power 4, can you recall what are the coefficients I will have? 1 plus 4 plus 6 plus 4 plus 1. Yes or no? Just add everything, guys. It is going to be 2 power 4, that is 16. Add பண்ணி பாரு. 5 11 16 வந்துருச்சா?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting this, guys?
Yes, sir.
So இப்போ நான் வந்து a plus b power 16, what is the sum of the coefficients னு கேட்டா what is that? 2 power 16. 2 power 16. Are you getting this? Okay. Okay. Yeah, this is little super question. Come on, guys, I want this answer. This is chocolate sum here. Okay, I will draw the chocolate for you. Okay, this is chocolate sum, and please do it. The people who are going to show me first, or people who are going to hand raise in the online, going to get the chocolate. Yeah, so completed. Okay, man, it is right or not?
ஆன்சர் சொல்லுமா சார்?
Yeah, you want to say the answer?
x power 4
X power
4 plus
x power 4 plus 4 x
plus
square
plus 6
plus 6 plus 4 by x square plus 1 by x power 4.
plus 4 plus 1 by x power 4.
Okay. Okay, whether you got this answer, Ivan, you got this answer?
Yes, sir.
Enada?
Yes, sir. Answer, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, 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 okay. Any other got this? Anybody is not having, see, this question answer வந்தவங்கள பத்தி எனக்கு பெரிய worry கிடையாது. People who not got answer, please express. Very good, Sivaranjani. The people who not got answer, please express. I'll do it on the board. It's not an issue. Okay? Not at all an issue if you are saying, sir, I am not getting, please do it. Kavya, have you got it?
Yes, sir.
Others? Yash?
Yes, sir.
Yash? Yash, you see, try to come offline, Manni. Okay? Nothing is there today. Why you should have come, no? Huh? I feel somewhere. What? Why you are offing your camera? Don't off, okay?
sir, automatic off.
Okay. So which one is larger, guys? Come on. Which one is larger?
1.01 power something power around the larger.
Yeah, because the second or third term is going to be. See, I can do like this, right? 1 plus 0.1 to the power of how much? அது எத்தனை ஜீரோ? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 10 lakh, right? Yeah, so why yeah, in the first coefficient itself. For see here, it's going to be what? First coefficient is what? 10,000, so that is 10 lakh n, that is c 0, so its anyway it is 1, but next one is going to be what? Yeah, so definitely it is.
The sum of
Yes, I will show here. Okay, so this is positive term, so yes, so ready for the challenge? Come on, guys, this is only the challenge. 102 power 5. Once again, this sum as chocolate. This sum as chocolate. Akhilesh, you already earned one chocolate. Come on, do it.
Sunday class கொடுத்துறணும்.
Ayyo, hey, போடுடா. So you are fulfilling what he is not there. I'll give, man. Definitely I'll give. Don't worry. சொல்லுடா ஆன்சர் சொல்ல போறியா?
ஆமா சார்.
ஓகே, வாட் இஸ் தி ஆன்சர்?
110408080032 கரெக்ட்டா சார்?
110408080032. Yes. Yeah, finally Yash also got a chocolate. You will get it on Sunday. Okay?
ஓகே சார்.
Okay. உங்களை கவனிக்க வைக்க என்னெல்லாம் வேலை பண்ண வேண்டியது. Okay, so next we are going to see what there are three important things what we are going to learn is the general term and constant term and middle term. எப்படி இருக்கும்னா क्वेश्चनல find the general term of this or find the seventh term or find the eighth term or otherwise they can call it they can say it as find the middle term and also they can say find the constant term. Okay, இந்த மூணு விதமான sums உனக்கு கேட்கலாம் and we are going to do one by one. I hope up to now it's clear, right? என்ன பண்ணிருக்கோம் ஒரு ஒரு யா நிரஞ்சன். Okay, yeah. So I hope யாருக்காவது புரியலனா சொல்லுங்க because after this இது வரைக்கும் புரிஞ்சிருந்தா தான் நான் அடுத்து சொல்ல போறது நடக்கும். Anshul, are you clear in this?
Yes sir.
Okay, so I can go for this general term, constant term and middle term, right? Okay, see what is general term? General term when I am speaking about, I am going to say some exact some terms. இப்போ எனக்கு வந்து a plus b power 6 இருக்குனா there are 7 terms, right? In that 7 terms I want only one that particular term. I want only one particular term. How we are going to derive it? For that, see first thing what I am going to do now, how I am going to denote this first one, I am going to take it as t1. Okay, and this second one I am going to take it as t stands for term, guys. T stands for term. So how many number of term I am going to have is going to be just t1, t2, t3, like that it's going to be. So here the finding the r value. If I am having the first t1, the r value is what? 0. R value is what? 0. See what is r value? இங்க நான் என்ன போடுறேன்னா அதான r value. இங்க நான் என்ன போடுறேன்னா அதான் r value. எனக்கு t first t1 ன்னு சொன்னேனா it means that r is going to be 0. If I say t2, then what is the value of r? If I say t5, what is the value of r? So அப்போ நல்லா ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோங்க because my r value starts from 0 but term number I can't give it as t0, t1, t2. I am going to take it as first term, second term, third term. I can't say this is 0th term, this is first term. கரெக்ட்டா? ஏதாவது என்ன போது 0 ல இருந்து ஆரம்பிப்பியா 1 ல இருந்து ஆரம்பிப்பியா? Yeah, then what? So அப்ப என்ன பண்றேன்? term 1, term 2, term 3 னு பேர் வச்சுக்கறேன். But r value of first term is going to be 0. The second term is going to be 1. So r tn னு வந்திருந்ததுனா what is the r value? n plus 1. Sorry, n minus 1. n minus 1. அப்ப என்ன கிடைக்குதோ அதில இருந்து அதே மாதிரி எனக்கு n இருக்குனா எத்தனை term வந்திருக்கும் guys? tn plus 1 terms வந்திருக்கும். கரெக்ட்டா? எத்தனை term இருக்கு? n plus 1. அப்ப இங்க t னு ஒரு பேர் வச்சுக்கிறேன் எத்தனாவது term னு சொல்றதுக்கு. So tn plus 1 terms will be there. Okay, so that's what I am going to say in this slide. So if you see second term, third term, fourth term, similarly my nth term is going to be r plus tr plus 1 term is going to be. Okay, find the general term in the expansion of. So what I am going to do, I am just அவ்வளவுதான் முடிஞ்சிச்சு. ஓகேவா? என்ன பண்றேன்? So tr is equal to, so now the formula will change like this. See what is my binomial theorem says? Summation ncr a to the power of n minus r b to the power of r, right? Now when I say about term, if I take tr plus 1, okay, now what is the r value, guys? So I am going to take it as ncr a power n minus r b power r. This summation will removed. Why? Because summation means r starts from 0 and ends with n. But எனக்கு இங்க ஒரே ஒரு particular term தான் வேணும், which is just rth term. So I am going to write like this. Are you getting this? Okay, this is the formula for what? General term. Okay. So tr plus 1 is equal to ncr a power n minus r b power r, where n is 6 and a is what? X square and b is what? Minus y. இங்க பாருங்கப்பா, நிறைய பேர் எல்லாம் பெர்ஃபெக்ட்டா பண்ணுவீங்க, but you won't give importance to the middle sign. எத்தனை பேர் b value y ன்னு இப்பவே மனசுல நினைச்ச? சொல்ல மாட்டே, but நீ நினைச்சிருப்ப. Okay, always take with the sign. When the binomial question comes, always take with sign. So what is a value? So try to write like this. That helps. நீங்க அது ஒரு பெரிய ஸ்டெப்பா நினைக்காம ஒரு தடவை எழுதுங்க. n equal to 6. What is a? X square. What is b? Minus y. Okay, after this just substitute here. What happens? 6 c, so they asked what? R, and what is a? X square, right, to the power of what? 6 minus r and minus y to the power of, come on guys, what is this? R. Okay, இப்போ இது இந்த term வந்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் if I ask what is t2, if I ask what is t2, what is t2, then what is the r value? 1. Just substitute 1 in this equation and give the answer. R value is 1. When this value is 2, okay, the r value is going to be 1. Okay, what happens if I ask what is t4? What is r value? 3. Okay, என்ன இருக்கோ அதோட ஒன்னு கம்மி பண்ணி you want to just substitute. I hope this is clear, right? Yeah. See, always try to write this. This will reduce your error. Okay, உங்க error குறைச்சிடும். And don't forget to take the sign. This is the two important things you want to do here. Come on guys, this is very easy. And find the positive value of m for which the coefficient of x square in the expansion of 1 plus x to the power of m is 6. Okay, guys, listen the question very carefully. They asked the coefficient of x square. Okay, எந்த termல I am going to get my x square?
M is equal to 4, sir.
N is equal to 3. 4 or 3?
M is equal to 3.
3 or 4? டேய் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டேர்ம்ல x power 0 இருந்திருக்கும், செகண்ட் டேர்ம்ல x power 1 இருந்திருக்கும், third termல x power 2 இருந்திருக்கும். So what I asked to find is indirectly the third term.
M is equal to 4, sir.
What? Oh, you are saying m value as 4. Okay, got the answer. Okay, very good. Okay, so what I am going to do, I am going to take tr plus 1 is equal to, so I want m or mcr x power r, correct? Now what I asked to find is that m. அங்க இருக்கிற m இருக்குல்ல, இந்த m தான் நான் ஃபைண்ட் பண்ணனும். Okay, and what I know is that is 6, that is r equal to 2 and mc2. So I am going to take it as mc2 equal to 6. mc2 is equal to 6 means what is m? That is what we want to find. What is that, guys? So m is equal to 4. Okay, so people who are not getting this, I will say now. ஒன்னும் பிரச்சனை இல்லை, உங்களுக்கு எங்க புரியாதுன்னு எனக்கு தெரியும். So mc2 equal to 6. இது வரைக்கும் எல்லாருக்கும் புரியுதா? Anybody is having doubt in this? I can explain that and I will go to that. mc2 புரிஞ்சுதா? Okay, guys, what is mc2? What is mc2? m factorial divided by m minus 2 factorial into 2 factorial, right?
2 factorial.
Yes. Now this m factorial can be written as what? m into m minus 1 into m minus 2 factorial. Yes, shall we write like this? எழுதலாமாப்பா இப்படி? Into 2 factorial. And I can cancel this out. எப்படி அழிச்சிடலாமா? And I know that now m into m minus 1 divide by what is 2 factorial is 2 is equal to 6. Yes or no? Now I can write like m square minus m, this side it comes, it will be minus 12 equal to 0. And how this is factorized, that is what this is written. I hope everybody got it, right? எல்லாருக்கும் புரிஞ்சுதா இது? Okay, so anybody want to be repeated? இது ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டன்டான சம். If anybody is there, please say ask me. Anybody? Yeah, I will repeat. Okay. Okay. See guys, what I want in this question is simple. எனக்கு வந்து இதோட x square ஓட coefficient 6 ன்னு சொல்லிட்டாங்க. x square ஓட coefficient என்ன? 6. அப்ப நான் என்ன பண்ணிக்கிறேன்? This is my general term, right? இங்க நான் tr plus 1 எழுதுனா, this is going to be mcr into x power r because this is 1. So 1 power anything is 1 only. So I am not minding it. I am just writing. So இப்போ என்ன நடக்கும்? இதுல எனக்கு r வந்து ஏன் இது r2 ன்னு சொல்றேன்னா third termல தான் எனக்கு x square கிடைக்கும். Third termல x square கிடைக்கும்னா r value எவ்வளோ? 2. So I am just taking r is equal to 2. புரியுதா? r is equal to 2 since it is a third term. ஓகே ஸோ இப்போ r ஈக்குவல் டு 2ன்னு எடுத்துக்கிட்டதுனால ஸோ இப்போ என்ன நடக்கும் இப்போ mc2 வந்துருமா mc2 is what my coefficient and it is given that coefficient is 6 coefficient is 6 so mc2 equal to 6 I hope after that at least you understood right anybody else anything has to be repeated okay okay then I'll move guys yeah next is constant term what is the meaning of constant term guys
No variable, sir.
yeah no variable it means that both x power and y power is going to be what 0 okay illa adu illama irukanum correct ah appo when I have 1 plus x power n which is going to be my constant term is going to be first term okay so similarly yeah and if I take it as a independent term iva nalla paarungala enak enna vandirukum I am taking this is the general term of this expression I am going to take the ncr x power r since another variable is 1 another term is 1 so what it means this has to become 0 right right இல்லையா x power 0 வரணும் அப்போ r 0 ஆகணும் கரெக்ட்டா இல்லையா okay take this in mind when I am doing the sum it will be helpful okay yeah find the independent term of x in the expansion of x plus 1 by 2x to the power of 12 okay there are a lot of shortcut formulas that I might be told in JE class but this has to be done in a normal way எப்படி நார்மல் வேல பண்ணலாம் அப்படினா ஒண்ணும் கிடையாதுடா just take the general equation எடுத்துட்டு and I know that this one has to be 0 yes or no ஆமாதானே அது 0 ஆயிடுச்சுனா என்ன ஆகும் there is no variable right there is no variable because see one change has happened இப்போ இங்க என்ன இருக்கு x to the power of 12 minus r 1 by 2x to the power of r what I am doing in the next step is I am making that to okay I'll do it and show that okay yeah
Sir, I can't understand.
yeah ma, I'll do who is that who is asking Sivaranjani yeah see Sivaranjani listen இதோட general term எழுதுனா இப்படி தான வரும் are you okay in this general term are you okay with this general term okay and in this what I am going to do no I am going to just write like this 12cr x to the power of 12 minus r and I am going to write 1 by x to the power of r and 1 by 2 to the power of r shall I write like this guys first step Sivaranjani mainly Sivaranjani you say yes then I can go to the next step
Yes, sir.
okay now what I am going to do this 12 minus now I am going to write like this 12 cr x to the power of 12 minus r and minus x to the power of r is that okay for you and this is minus sorry x to the power of minus r x to the power of minus r is that okay 2 to the power of minus r is that okay okay now what I am going to do this x and this x is having the same base so the power can be what added right so x to the power of 12 minus 2r are you getting this and I am having minus 2 to the power of minus r is that okay Sivaranjani okay now நல்லா பாரு இந்த டேர்ம்ல எனக்கு x இருக்க கூடாது அப்போ இது 0 ஆனா போதுமா
R is equal to 6.
yeah அப்ப என்ன ஆயிடும் 12 minus 2r is equal to 0 so 2r equal to 12
R is equal to
so r equal to 6 when r is 6 the term is going to be 7th term because I know it is tr plus 1 so t7 is going to be my constant term is that okay guys anybody
Yes, sir.
anybody யாருக்காவது புரியலையா யாருக்காவது திருப்பி சொல்லணுமா பூமேஷ் have you got it அன்பரசி have you got it ரக்ஷனா
Yes, sir.
with you Nitesh why you are late man Nitish why are you late where is your camera I hope are you getting this right Vidyut are you getting this
Yes, sir.
anybody is having any doubt in this shall I teach it once again Shivaranjani or have you got it
Yes, sir.
டேய் நான் கொஸ்டின் பேப்பர் இப்படி தான் கேட்க போறேன். ஓகே மறந்துடாத, நான் இந்த மாதிரி கொஸ்டின் தான் கேட்க போறேன். சும்மா expand 1001 expand அதெல்லாம் கேட்க மாட்டேன். I will ask something like this or something proving some in binomial. Okay, நான் இப்படி தான் கேட்பேன். Okay, so next is, shall I go to the next question guys?
Yes.
Yeah guys, I want the constant term of this one. I want answer. So this is perfect chocolate sum. Come on.
Constant damage is sir.
அப்படியா?
For this one, yes, sir. Odd power, sir. No constant term.
Okay, okay, okay. See, நீங்க yes, is this okay for JE Shweta? But for school, what you have to do is you want to do and say that this equation is not equal to 0. This equation cannot be 0. Are you getting? Say I appreciate both. Sai, Akhilesh, Shweta both told answer right, but you guys has to do and show that it cannot get 0. Okay. Since R is in fraction, we can't get the answer. Hemant, are you getting this? Hemant? Hemant, are you getting this? Hey, you are muted, man. கேட்கலடா. Yeah, the sum is finished man already. Okay, Hemant நீ பேசுறது கேட்கல, please check it. Pratap, are you getting this?
Yes, sir. I already got it.
Yeah, Niranjan, both the Niranjans?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
Yeah. Somebody stopped me. Okay, you told you got it. Okay. See, இது ஏன்னா I am getting R as fraction, but see, always the R can be only what? Whole number. R can be only a whole number. It cannot be any other number. It cannot be any other number. Okay. Okay. So interesting question, no? Okay. So yeah, next is middle term, guys. Okay. Middle term. So I'll say that nothing. When I have a odd number, that is I have 10, right? So 5. என்னோட எத்தனை விரல் இருக்கு? 5 இருக்கு. When I have 5, I can have a middle finger, right? I can have what? Middle finger. Okay? But when I have 10, I am going to have what? Middle terms. Are you getting? Why? Because I'll go for this. So middle finger, so third, so I am going to get what? Third. So when I have this one, I am having 7 volumes. So middle volume can be what? Fourth. இதுக்கு முன்னாடி 3 இருக்கு, அப்புறம் 3 இருக்கு. So it is going to be in middle. Okay? Whenever I am having a odd number, the middle term will be little easy. Okay? Even number வந்தா கஷ்டம் கிடையாதுடா. There are going to be 2 middle terms. There are going to be what? 2 middle terms. That's what they are saying about. When I have 10 finger, okay? When I have 10 fingers, and this both is going to be what? My middle fingers. Okay? So this 5 and 6 is going to be what? My middle fingers. Okay? Whenever I am having what? So similarly, when I have 6 volumes, 3 and 4 is going to be by what? Middle volume. Okay? So 3 and 4 is going to be by middle volume. Whenever I am having even, I am going to have what? 2 numbers to be middle. But one more interesting thing is there. If my index is there, the index plus 1 is going to be the number of terms, right?
Yes.
அப்போ நான் x plus 2 ன்னு சொன்னா அங்க 3 term இருக்கும். அப்போ power evenக்கு I will have what? Exact 1 middle term.
1 middle term.
Power oddக்கு I am going to have 2 middle term.
Middle term.
திருப்பி சொல்லவா? டேய் ஒண்ணு இல்லடா, என்னோட பவர் ஈவனா இருந்தா ஈவன் பிளஸ் 1 ஆட் நம்பர் ஆஃப் டேர்ம்ஸ் வந்துரும். அப்போ மிடில் டேர்ம் 1 வரும். என் பவர் ஈவனா ஆடா இருந்ததுன்னா ஈவன் நம்பர் ஆஃப் டேர்ம்ஸ் வந்துரும். அப்போ மிடில் டேர்ம்ஸா வரும். 2 டேர்ம்ஸ் இருக்கும். ஓகே? சோ இது புரியுதா உங்களுக்கு? சோ yeah guys, find the middle term of the expansion 3 minus x square by 6 to the power of 5. So when I have 5, நல்லா பாருங்க, இங்க ஆக்சுவலா கிராமட்டிக்கலா ஒரு எரர் இருக்கு. இது 5 இருக்குன்னா மொத்தம் 6 டேர்ம்ஸ் இருக்கும். கரெக்ட்டா? மிடில் டேர்ம்ஸ். ஓகேவா? மிடில் டேர்ம்ஸ். ஏன்னா 2 டேர்ம்ஸ் இருக்க போகுது. இட்ஸ் நாட் கோயிங் டு பி சிங்கிள் டேர்ம். Come on guys, find both the terms and share, say me the answer. Day. Guys, so what are the middle terms, guys? It's going to be what?
5x power 6 by 12 plus 45x power 4 by
5x power 6
by 12.
by 12,
So you know 45x power 4 by
45x power 4 by 2.
so then I can
Anybody else? Anybody else? Please confirm this is answer. Yes, is this? Yeah.
Sir, எனக்கு 15x power 4 by 2 வருது sir.
15 வருதா இவானுக்கு? Okay, I'll check it man, I'll check it, don't worry.
ஆமா சார் 15 சார் 15 சார்.
டேய். அப்ப 15 னா அது அடிடா.
5 by 12, sir.
ஓ செகண்ட வந்து 45 க்கு பதிலா 15 ஆ? ஓகே ஓகே. சரி ஓகே. வேற ஆன்சர் வருதா? ஏய் யாருக்காவது போட்டு காட்டணுமா? ஆன்லைன்ல இருக்கிற
5x power 4, sir.
ஓகே. ஏய் ஓ டேய் நானே போடுறேன் போங்கப்பா. ஓகே, so I come to know that I have 5.
5 by 12 x power 6.
Anyway, I decided to put, anybody is there who got the same answer, or still people are struggling to get the answer? நீங்க struggle ஆகுறீங்கன்னா நான் போர்டுல போடுறேன், otherwise we can leave it. Okay, so see guys, power 5 இருக்கு, so I know that my third term and fourth terms are the middle terms. I hope this is clear first. யாராவது third and fourth term தான் middle term னு இல்லாம வேற ஏதாவது கண்டுபிடிச்சிருந்தீங்கன்னா அங்கேயே உங்க சம் தப்பாயிடுச்சு. So I know I want T3, so I want T2 plus 1, so you can able to write the general form. So what is the general form guys? 5C2 and in the place of x I have 3, so 3 to the power of 3 and minus x square by 6 to the power of 2. Is it right guys? So what is 5C2 is just 10. 5C2 is what? 10 and 3 power 3 is 27 and this is going to be positive, so x power 4 by 36 and this can be cut it in the table of 9. So 9 3s are and this is 4s are. So it is going to be, once again I can cut this in 2 table and this is 5. So 15 x power 4 by
15x power 4
by 2. Okay. So next is what? T4 I am going to find, where it is going to be T3 plus 1, which is going to be 5C3, 3 to the power of 4 or 3. Yeah, it's going to be 2 and minus x square by 6 to the power of 3. So this is going to be, hey, யாருமே மைனஸே சொல்லியடா. So இது வரைக்கும் ஆன்சர் சொன்ன யாருமே மைனஸ் சொல்ல, பட் எனக்கு மைனஸ்ல ஆன்சர் வருது. Okay, so 5C3 is going to be 15, right? 15 into 9 into minus x power 6.
The 5C3
5C3 is 10.
90, sir. Yes, sir.
5C3 is 10 now, okay. 10,
Sir, 10 into 9.
10 into 9 into minus x power 6 to the power of 216. Okay, 216 can be cut in 9 table once again. 9 ones are, this is 9,
24, sir.
24.
24 times.
So once again I have 10 here, so I can cut it as 12 and 5. So minus 5 x power 6. யாருமே minus சொல்ல எனக்கு. And then நான் minus நீங்க சொல்லனா I understand that you have not taken this minus. Luckily there square positive வந்ததனால answer correct. அப்படிதானே சாய் அகிலேஷ்? ஆமா தானே, சாக்லேட் கேன்சல். ஓகே. எதுக்குடா 2 சாக்லேட்? தப்பா சொன்னதுக்கெல்லாம் சாக்லேட் தர முடியாது. Okay guys, come on, this is more interesting. If the middle term of the 1 by x plus x sin x to the power of 10 is 7 by 8, then the value of x. Guys, very interesting question. நீங்க எப்படி trigonometryயும் இந்த பைனாமியலும் சேரும்னு நினைச்சீங்கன்னா இதோ உங்களுக்காக. டேய் என்னடா பண்ணணும்? மிடில் டேர்ம்னு சொல்லிட்டேன். 10 இருக்கு. 10 னா எத்தனை டேர்ம் இருக்கும்? 11 டேர்ம்ஸ். 11 ல மிடில் டேர்ம் என்ன? 6th டேர்ம். அப்ப t6. அப்ப r எவ்வளோ? 5. t6 கரெக்ட். t6. சோ r எவ்வளோ? 5. ஜெனரல் டேர்ம் எழுது. r க்கு பதிலா 6 சப்ஸ்டிட்யூட் பண்ணு. சாரி 5 சப்ஸ்டிட்யூட் பண்ணு. கெட் தி ஆன்சர். கம் ஆன். ஈக்குவல் டு 7 by 8 போடு. This deserves a chocolate. Yeah. Mixed fraction டா டேய், mixed fraction டா. அது எப்பறா மல்டிப்ளிகேஷன் அப்படி கொடுப்போம்? டேய் இன்னும் போடுறீங்கன்னா தப்பா போட போறீங்கன்னு அர்த்தம்டா. என்னடா? நிதிஷ் வந்ததுல இருந்து நான் உன்னை பார்க்கவே இல்லை. நிதிஷ், can you switch on your camera? Are you there first? Video work agaliya? Please make it clear, man. Okay. If I see you only, I can able na confident and artham mudiyum. Are you getting what is happening here? At least speak for some time. Unake puriyada?
puriyudhu sir.
Indha sum podriya illaya? Okay. Okay, see, this is little more time, guys. I'll do, guys. I'll do. Guys, இதெல்லாம் ஓகே தானே? இது ஈவன் நம்பர் ஆஃப் டேர்ம் இருக்கு. ஸோ மிடில் டேர்ம் ஒரு டேர்ம் தான் இருக்க போகுது. அண்ட் த மிடில் டேர்ம் இஸ் கோயிங் டு பி த 6th டேர்ம். ஸோ ஆர் வேல்யூ இஸ் கோயிங் டு பி வாட்? இதெல்லாம் ஓகே. இந்த சப்ஸ்டிட்யூட் பண்ணதெல்லாம் ஓகே தானே? ஓகே. த நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்டெப் இஸ் கோயிங் டு பி okay, nothing they did. What is 10C5, guys? 250? 10C5. Okay, I'll do. See what happens here, no? Here x power 5, here 1 by x power 5, this both will get cancelled, yes or no? Okay, then I will have only sine power 5, correct? Sine power 5x is equal to, what is 7, so it becomes what? 7, 60, 61 by 8, 63 by 8, yaar 61 sonnadhu. Okay, so now what happens here, this number is what? 252. This 252 comes here, it will comes in the denominator, yes or no? So 252. Yes. Now sine power 5x will become 63 divided by 8 into 252. I can cancel இது எந்த டேபிள் அடிக்கலாம்? I think I can divide it by 9 table. So 9 7s are கொஞ்சம் பெரிய நம்பரா பாரு. What man?
Sin power 5x equal to 1 by 30.
26
28, sir.
28 okay, 7 1s are and this is 7 4s are. So sine power 5x will become 1 by 32. 32 is just 2 power. So sine x will become 1 by 2. என்னடா
அந்த கோஎஃபிஷியன்ட் 252 ல சார் அப்பே அது 210 சார்
இப்ப 10c5 நான் தான் போடணும் அப்படிதானே? ஓகே, I understand. So 10 factorial divided by 5 factorial into 5 factorial, correct? Okay, so now this will become 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 divided by 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5.
சார் என்ன டவுட் சார்
என்னடா
10c6 இல்லையா சார்
எதுக்குடா 10c6 டேய் r வேல்யூ 6 தானடா 5 தானடா ரெண்டு சாக்லேட் கட்டறா உனக்கு. ஓகே, so sin x will be equal to 1 by 2. sin x will be equal to 1 by 2. இது எப்படின்னு புரிஞ்சுதா? அதெல்லாம் கரெக்ட் தான்டா, எல்லாம் கரெக்ட் தான். ஓகே, sin x is equal to 1 by 2. So sin x is equal to 1 by 2 na, when the sin value became 1 by 2 guys? Pi by 6, right? Okay, pi by 6 and it's not only pi by 6. I hope you guys remembering this one. எத்தனை தடவை எனக்கு 1 by 2 வந்துட்டே இருக்கும் after some time. இது 1 by 2, இது 1 by 2, இது 1 by 2, இது 1 by 2. அப்ப நிறைய தடவை 1 by 2 வந்துட்டே இருக்கும், கரெக்ட்டா? So that is going to be உங்களுக்கு general equation of sin உங்களுக்கு ஞாபகம் இருக்கும். By using that the option is going to be C, because n pi plus minus 1 to the power of n x, this is trigonometrical equation. நான் அதல சொல்லி கொடுத்திருக்கேன் உங்களுக்கு. So n pi எப்பவுமே 0வா இருக்கும். n pi plus minus 1 to the power of n pi by 6 க்கு என்ன நடத்தோம்னா pi by 6 கண்டுபிடிச்சாலே பெரிய சக்சஸ் தான். இந்த வேல்யூக்கு அப்புறமா தான் ஒரு தடவையும் சைன்ல நம்பர்ஸ் ரிப்பீட் ஆயிட்டே இருக்கும். Okay, anyway, don't worry about that if you are not understanding why it is n pi plus minus 1 to the power of n. When I teach your trigonometry functions, I'll teach you more in that. Is that okay, guys? Yes, sir. Okay? Yeah, ready for the challenge? Yeah, find A if the coefficient of x square and y squares are equal. x square and x cube are equal. The coefficients of x square and y cube are equal. Sorry, x square and x cube are equal. Sorry. I want the value of A. Guys, யாருக்காவது ஐடியா இருக்கா இல்ல நான் ஐடியா சொல்லணுமா யாருக்காவது?
நானே போடுறேன் சார்.
Yeah, very good. So third termல x square இருக்கும், fourth termல x cube இருக்கும், கரெக்ட்டா? And they both are equal, their coefficients are equal அப்படி சொல்லிருக்காங்க. அதோட coefficients எப்படி இருக்க போகுது? ஈக்குவலா இருக்க போகுது. அப்ப எக்ஸ்பேண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, அந்த ரெண்டு டேர்மையும் ஈக்குவல் பண்ணுங்க, ஈக்குவேட் பண்ணுங்க. other than x square and x cube, மிச்ச ரெண்டுத்தையும் ஈக்குவேட் பண்ணுங்க and find the value of A. Come on. புரியலனா இன்னொரு தடவை சொல்றேன், யாருக்காவது புரியலனா ஹேண்ட் ரைஸ் பண்ணுங்க. I'll teach once again. Nitish, are you getting this?
Yes, sir.
What? Who is speaking? I know it's dinner time. People who have switched off, you might be eating puri or dosa. Okay. I don't mind if you are eating with switched on off camera. Please listen to the class. I will finish as early as possible. உங்களால தான் லேட் ஆகுது. நீங்க பண்ணி முடிச்சீங்கன்னா நான் வேகமா போய்டுவேன். The
A value 2, sir.
A value 2. Is it so? Whether Sai Akhilesh gained back his chocolate or ஆமா ஆல்ரெடி
ரெண்டு சாக்லேட் உண்மையாவே போயிடுச்சா சார்?
சத்தியமா போயிடுச்சு. அதெல்லாம் நீ என்ன மாதிரி தப்பு பண்ற? நீ எப்படி பண்ணலாம் அந்த தப்பு?
எவ்வளவு சார்? எடுத்துறீங்களா? அடுத்த क्वेश्चन எடுத்து ரெண்டு சாக்லேட் எடுத்துறேன்.
இந்த क्वेश्चन கரெக்ட்டா இருந்தா I will give. உனக்கு 4 இருந்தா Ivan. Okay. If it is 4 I will give chocolate to you Ivan. Any other answer? நான் தான் போடணுமா? டேய் கான்செப்ட் யாருக்காவது புரியாம இருந்தா சொல்லுங்க, நான் இன்னொரு தடவை சொல்றேன். Anybody? Offline students, anybody? Online, anybody guys? Shall I repeat the concept? Okay.
Sir.
Yeah.
Sir, 7/3 இல்ல 9/7 வருது sir.
9/7 வருது. Anybody got 9/7 here? No. Okay. Okay, so anyway the answer is going to be, let me check, 3/7. Yaar well. You got no 7/3 and 3/7 every same. So it's 3/7 guys. So I hope I want to do once again. So listen guys, so I am going to write the general equation. I wrote the general equation. So general equation la enakku, so this is the process of finding which term it is. So anyway I found like it's third term and second term. So I am going to write the coefficient of x square is going to be it's not third term guys. It's not third term. That's where you made a mistake I think. I also acknowledge it. நீங்க ஆமான்ட்ட நானோ அதுதான் பிரச்சனை. டேய் ரெண்டாவது தானடா x இருக்கு. கரெக்ட் தானா? Okay, then okay. Third term and fourth term. Okay, anyway guys, take this sum as take that sum as homework. Okay, அந்த சம்ம முடிச்சு அனுப்புங்க சரியா? டேய் இருடா நான் அத்தனை சம் எடுத்து வந்திருக்கேன். போட்டு I think here it's some mistake is there guys. So this is general term.
Sir, I have a doubt sir. 3 plus ax நம்ம ax plus 3 னு எடுத்துக்கலாம் நான் உள்ள.
3 plus
ax னு உள்ள இருக்குல சார் அந்த இன்டெக்ஸ் குள்ள நம்ம அது ax plus 3 னு எடுத்துக்கலாம் தானே சார்?
வேணும்னா எடுத்துக்கலாம்.
Okay.
Okay, it's right only, nothing wrong in this. டேய் இங்க பாருடா, நான் இத ஜெனரல் டேர்மா இப்படி எழுதிக்கலாமா? ஜெனரல் டேர்மா இப்படி எழுதிக்கலாமா? ஜெனரல் டேர்ம்ல ஏதாவது பிரச்சனை இருக்கா? இல்ல ஜெனரல் டேர்ம்ல 9 - r இருக்குல்ல x ஓட பவர்ல, அந்த 9 - r தான் எனக்கு இப்ப என்னவா வரணும்? ஃபர்ஸ்ட் 2 ஆ வரணும், அடுத்து 3 ஆ வரணும். கரெக்ட்டா? So 9 - r = 2 போட்டா r = 7 கிடைச்சது. கரெக்ட்டா? That is this one. The coefficient இத விட்டுட்டு மிச்ச எல்லாத்துக்கும் r 7 போட்டுட்டேன். Okay, and similarly 9 - r = 3 போட்டா r = என்ன கிடைச்சது? என்ன கிடைச்சது? 6. So இங்க இந்த டேர்மை தவிர மிச்ச எல்லா இடத்துலயும் r க்கு 6 போட்டுடுறேன். இப்போ இந்த டேர்மும் ஈக்குவல். கரெக்ட்டா? இப்போ இது ரெண்டும் ஈக்குவல்னா 9c 6 3/7 a square is equal to 9c6, sorry, this is 9c7 sir. Okay, 3 power 6 a cube, correct? I want the value of a. So நான் என்ன பண்றேன், first இந்த a square இந்த a cube அடிச்சிட்டு இங்க வெறும் a ஆக்கிடுறேன். ஓகே, இந்த 3 power 6 இங்க 7 அடிச்சிட்டு அங்க வெறும் 3 ஆக்கிடலாம். அப்ப என்ன ஆயிடும், what is 9c7 guys? கண்டுபிடிச்சு சொல்லுங்க. 9c7 will be equal to 9c2. What is that? 36, right? Correct? Is into 3 is equal to what is 9c6? 84. 84 அந்த என்னடா?
Sir, 97 is 72, sir. 97 is 72, sir.
72. இப்போ அது நான் போடணும் அவ்வளவுதானே. 9c7 is equal to 9c2. Are you getting this first? ரெண்டு ஈக்குவல் தான். எப்படி போட்டாலும் என்னடா? It's 36 or 72? Okay, okay. டேய் யாமா. So now this can be cut in 12 table, right? What is 12? 3s are. This is 12. 7s are.
7.
Right?
9 by 7.
A equal to 9 by 7. What we got is actually 3 by 7.
3 by 7, sir.
Huh? 100 and?
Solution we got 3 by 7.
Wait. Then some mistake is there in your number calculation. நான் பண்ணலையே, உங்களெல்லாம் கேட்டேன். நீங்க கொஞ்சம் சொல்லணும்ல. டேய் 9c6 84 தானா? 9c7 36 தானா? A 3 power 7 இது 3 power 6. 27 by 21 வருதா? 27 by 21 வந்ததுனா cut it in 3 table man. 3 9s are 3 9 by 7 தான் வருது அப்பயும். So what we got is 3 by 7 as answer. Okay, 9 by 7 answer. Okay. Okay. Okay guys. என்னடா? இல்ல இது 3 by 7 இல்ல, maybe then I also did right. So this is 9 by 7. I hope you guys got it right. Dey idu purinjida? So there will be a worksheet from binomial. Okay, I am ending the class here, but before that I want to speak for 2 minutes. Later join பண்ணீங்க நிறைய பேர். Today actually it's conic section 2. நான் ஏன் conic section 2 போடல அப்படினா, before I am doing conic section 2, I want to all of you guys to finish your all exercise sums including miscellaneous, and before this Wednesday, before coming Wednesday, please send me the question what you got as doubt. நீங்க doubt அனுப்புறத I will put it in the slide and I will solve it and show you. Are you getting? Okay, for that only I have skipped this. ஏனா எனக்கு தெரியும் actually இந்த ஒரு வாரம் போதும் பண்றதுக்கு, நீங்க பண்ணிருக்க மாட்டீங்கன்ற நம்பிக்கை இருக்கு. நேத்து SSM நகருக்கு வந்தேன், you guys gave me big shock, like இதுதான் சர்க்கிளா அப்படினு கேட்டிங்க. அதனால okay, so I want everybody to finish and send me the doubt. Okay, deal, right? Actually next week the binomial, I taught you binomial, and binomial worksheet will be given. I want the worksheet to be finished and sent before this Wednesday. Okay, why Wednesday? Thursday I will meet you. Okay guys, good night, bye bye.